Hi my friends, this is Ian here. I just want to put this quick video together to show you our email template code generator. Now what this does is creates a nice template and a code that you can use to send out better looking emails, more professional. Now hats off to everybody that has been doing as I've asked and clicking on this link here and then emailing their downline. Now on this button you can see your downline there. If you've got a downline, you can email them from your members area by clicking on this particular link. Okay, but some of those emails that have been sent out are quite flat. They're all just flat lines. Okay, so we need to make it a little bit more professional, and this tool will help you do that. Now these links at the top, this row here, this is to do with your title if you want one. Okay, can you see that there? This one, sorry, this one there, and it represents that there. So I'm just going to change this so you can see this in action, and we'll use one or two of the presets and the colors and show you exactly what it can do. Okay, so you can choose your font straight away, and you can choose the size of your font. I'm just going to bop that up, as I'll call it, to 20. And incidentally, if you don't want it showing, then there it is. We've taken it out. But let me just click on this and you'll see it reappear. And there it is at the top. Okay, so you want a title. So just put welcome to the okay, I'm just going to put that, and let's capitalize that as well. I usually do that with titles. Now, as you can see, Martin has added quite a few buttons in here, and the title, we can make that a lot bigger up there, and we can change the actual colour of that. So if we wanted to say go in line with the Buildabizonline theme, that would be blue. But as it is, I do like the black. So all you do is just click on that, and you can colour pick as well. Let me just show you this. If you go there, we've got this nice red, and then click anywhere out of that box, and then it will come up with the red. But I'm going to go back with the black. Back to black. There we go. Okay, now that's it for the title. Welcome to the Buildabizonline program. Now then, let's have a look at some of these presets here. Okay, if you want on your background, can you see this? It's like a light grey, and that is the default colour. If you want to change it, and please watch round by this area, and you'll see that it will change to different colours. Okay, so they're the presets. Okay, so I think I'm going to stick with this particular one in white because I don't like anything showing. Now the width of the box, this is what will show our container. So we're going to click anywhere out of that, and you see that's just got wider. Now normally it'll show up in Google quite nice at 800, depending on what they are using, whether they're using their phone or whatever. So if we go to 750, we should be safe with that. Now there's a border all the way around that. You can make that thicker if you wish. You can do what you want with it. Click anywhere and there's the border. Okay, and the preset color for that is just here. But if we choose our own again, there we have it. Now that does look silly, so I'm going to come down to 1 anyway. Okay, and we can also put a radius on the box that we're using just here, and that we're going to be using around about 7 or 8 I like to have it at. Now I've already got some text, so I'm just going to paste that into there. It's just to make this video a little bit shorter for you. So if I click anywhere again, then what it should do, let's just go like that. There, we've got it, just like that. Okay, now Martin has added 1 or 2 things that we can use, and one is a button. So if I just click just there, not there, you fool, Ian, in there, that's where the editor is, and just go say 2 under by pressing the enter twice. And then if I grab this preset that he's put in there, look, if we copy that, we can actually paste it in there, and then that will add a button, and there it is. Okay, but what I want to do is just show you 1 or 2 things you can do up here. Now that was the default text in there, so that definitely needs to come out. So let's go up to the top, and we're going to take that out. Now I'm going to make this bold. Now these are the little HTML tags that you can use, or markers, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to put that there. Now if I put a bold or a B in front, then it's going to make all of this in a moment when I click anywhere. Right, I forgot, you can't have a gap. It's going to make it all bold. Now you may want it like that, but if you want to just make this part, then you need a closing tag. So what I tend to do, make sure there's no gaps like I just added as a silly man. What you need to do, just after this little opening bracket there, you need to put a /, and that has made that bold, but the rest, it has made it plain old paragraph. Now I generally like to highlight that by making that bold as well. So I'm just going to put a B tag in there, as I call it, for bold. Another one is strong. You can use that, but I don't want to confuse you. You can use the word strong. Now we must close it off again, otherwise it might interfere with everything else. So we're going to put a /. So that is the opening tag B, and that's the closing tag, and that makes it bold. Okay, so let's have a look what we're looking like now. Great. Now then, what I want to do with this particular part, we're going to highlight Martin. So what I'm going to do here is grab this little one, because this italicizes it, if that's the correct way of pronouncing it. So I'm going to put that one just in there, and don't forget, if you're going to do that, we need to put the closing in as well, which is that. So we're actually teaching a little bit of HTML now. So what does that look like now? There you go, that's italicized it. The drunken man, I call that. Now what you can actually do, if you want to add more to that, you can, let's have a look, where are you? You can actually, let's just correct the spelling on that, which should be there. You can actually add a B tag as well, so B, okay, and at the end of there, a closing B tag. I don't think they're called tags, I think they're called markers, I'm not sure. I'm not clever enough. Martin's the guy for the job. Now the great thing about this button now, if we click on there now, we'll put this to where we want it to go to. So I have put there, you can gain access to this tool when you upgrade to the pro level of Buildabizonline. So what I'm going to do is put Buildabizonline. Incidentally, that's Martin's site, and it's got a lot of useful tools for Buildabizonline and advertising on that particular site. So Buildabizonline.com, And then I'm going to add a question mark, and I'm going to add my username. Okay, so when somebody clicks on that now, can you see bottom left? Can you see that's my affiliate link over at Buildabizonline? Okay, so what we do then, we've got a lot of gobbledygook. All of this that we've done in here looks like that in code. Now, if you can write all of that, I know I can't, and Martin knows I can't. So what I do is copy that. Okay, so I'm going to copy or click copy to clipboard. Martin's made it easier. And I'm going to actually send this out to my downline. So I'm going to click on here. And I'm going to click on that link. I don't want to show you my downline. And I'm going to paste that in there, because you can either use plain text or HTML, as he mentions just there. Okay, now I'm going to put here is Buildabizonline tool update. What I tend to do, and I don't know why I do that, it's not put spaces, but what I tend to do is that. So I click that one and that one. I tend to do that for some strange reason. I've seen it done before. I am going to put email template. Okay, and we're going to capitalize that. And what I'm going to do now is to click this button, and it will go to all of the members in my downline at Buildabizonline, and I've got quite a few. So that's it basically. I'm just going to click on there, and I'm going to pause this in case it shows some emails. I'm not sure whether it will. I can't guarantee it. So I'm going to pause this a second and click the button. No, it hasn't. Okay, so it says please wait while your message is being sent. I've got quite a few in my downline, but they will see this email update. Let's drag that up there a bit. Come on, Ian. Thank you. Let's drag that up there. So anyway, that email has been sent now, and my mission is done. I have shown you how the new, I should say, I daren't go off this page, email template builder works that Martin has put together, and he's tweaked it. So this, I believe, is version 3. Okay, so thanks very much for watching, and what I would like you to do is to comment underneath this video. If you need another tool building and we can do it, or you want something enhancing and we can do it, then we will do it just for you. Even if it's just one member, we will do it, and that will benefit everybody else. But unless you tell us and keep us informed of what you want, then we can't progress. Okay, my friends? So thanks for listening, and bye for now. See you in the next training video.